Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix unchanged App Store country due to Apple Music subscription. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to change your App Store country or region, but you're facing a this type error that whenever you try to change your App Store country or region, you see an error which is cannot change country or region. To change store, you must first cancel your Apple Music subscription. So let's see how can you fix this issue. So you just have to go back from here. Now to change your country or region, you have uh, to cancel your Apple Music subscriptions. Go to your settings app here, tap on your Apple ID, and here just select subscriptions. Now in subscriptions section, you will get all of the subscriptions you have. You just have to make sure that you haven't any subscription available here. If you find any subscription here, just try to cancel or remove them to change your Apple ID country or region or your App Store country region. So after canceling your subscription, you have to go back, open your App Store, and here just tap on your profile option in the top right. Then tap on your Apple ID here. Verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. And then you just have to wait for the loading here. Then select country or region. And here you just have to select the country or region in which you are living. So for example, I'm going to select this one from here. Once I have selected country or region, just tap on the continue option here. And here tap on agree in the top right. And now you just have to add your payment method. If you have any payment method, so you can easily add it here. Or if you don't have any payment method, so you can select this none option from here. Then add your billing address, your phone number, your name, and after all, just tap on done option at the top right, and your country and region will be successfully changed. So in this way, you can easily change your country or region without any issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.